Yeah, it's alive. Yeah, it's live.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome to Maria's channel. EJ.
AJ, my views, your world.
Ako sila ma'am for your sandwich.
Ah, okay. That's right. I need to put it like first, please. And my phone is low bat, so that's why.
Water.
Oh, you need color.
Mhm.
You need color.
Yeah, I have a power.
Oh.
I'm ready already. That is the
I've been to, so far I've been to Manila, Tagaytay, Cebu. I've been the Pacific Island, I was in Navy. Yeah, so I just been in Mexico. Yeah. Right. It's just like living in Japan, like having to do everything for myself as far as like getting profits and stuff like that. It was like 10 years later. Okay, yeah, I was there too. I was stationed in Germany, so I was all around Europe. You know, me and my buddy, we would do calls. Like, yeah, I'm kind of going to Europe for the first time next year, like in May. Like, for the end of the May, like, okay, a little bit more. That's what I said, this was my last
Hey everyone! Wait guys, sorry, I'm busy. I'm busy. Who's in the chat? Hello, Seven Ways. It's a prank. In EJ. She's EJ.
Hey.
It's Seven
Seven
Ways. Seven Ways in the chat.
ways, hey, 7 ways.
Yeah, in the chat.
Yeah, I seen them earlier when y'all was on the chat this morning.
Yeah, both of them actually. So that's why. Seven, she's Lilibet later inside the toilet. Sorry. I think what's better from here because I cannot. My earring. I'm looking this way. Just now I found. Where did that?
Yeah,
Mushroom soup kitchen.
Working Wi-Fi.
This is the small or for the beef?
Hi, ma'am. Working Wi-Fi, ma'am? Okay. Ma'am, wala ko sila, ma'am. Ready yung sa
By the way, ma'am, can I vlog here? It's allowed?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, because, ayan, because we
It's already connected. That's already connected.
because we have said anyways, we are not allowed to vlog. Usually we need to ask
Yeah, it's
first.
okay, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay, thank
But
you.
if it's okay for you that there's a noise,
It's okay. Thank you.
enjoy po.
Thank you. It's okay. Here in Mall of Asia. Oh, where's the... Wait, I need to use the... It's too noisy actually.
Yeah, I'm completely unprepared today. I forgot my tripod and I forgot my power bank. I forgot to charge my power bank.
I always bring a power bank.
Yeah.
Always. I never ever forget power bank. I thought this is big. Ah, okay, thank you. I thought it's big. Just only like this.
Oh yeah. That's why I thought you wanted to share. I'm just like, that
Yeah.
thing look kind of
No, no.
You can't share those two.
No, actually, I order half.
Half?
Yeah, not
Oh.
sharing because
Oh.
you said you don't like.
Right.
Hey, that's not even a spoon.
Yeah, because you don't. You see?
And gone after one.
Yeah, so big.
But yeah, but I've been all over Europe.
If I seen some of
Switzerland, France, Norway, Belgium, everywhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do London, Italy, Spain, Portugal. Yeah. I'm undecided, but after that I might go to Africa for like 2 weeks or something. Yeah. I got a cousin that's married to a woman in Calma. So yeah.
Hi, Chris S. Tita, is that your boyfriend? No, my gulay. This is
So we
a my view.
Go ahead.
Chris S.
Who?
Chris S. Did you know Chris S? This is EJ.
Chris X.
Yeah. Look at that, what she asking you. Tita, that is your boyfriend. No, it's your only meet up. My God.
No,
Please.
just another vlogger.
Yeah. Oh, hi, Ken. Kenna. Hello, nice restaurant.
Hi Kim.
It's a prank.
Hey, what's happening? How you doing?
Yeah. Please, did you see? What is
Oh yeah, is that your boyfriend son of
Sana all. Please, be nice. You know, it's a friend. All of this is friend. Meet up, you know.
Meet up.
Chris S. In the chat. Oh, Frank, coming from Chris S. I can hear that a lot of which is yes, it's a background. Diba? Yes, Kim. We know that. Kim McKenna. It's a public, of course. Do you think it's not noisy? There's only 4 persons, so of course. Oh, sorry, come to please. Tita, okay, nice. What? Who this
Yep,
guy,
I'm
Maria?
Seven
Seven ways
ways.
ice cream. He's a cool guy. Yes. Kim. Of course, I'd be nice. Yeah, 7 boys. Oh, good to see you, Chris. It's been long time, huh? Hey, Chris. His name EJ. AJ. AJ.
Oh, you know, I was gonna cool down.
Oh, yeah. So many ice. The ice cream.
I think it's gonna make you have a hot ice.
Oh.
Like the glass?
Yeah. Because we are clean.
Now these glasses, they got the glasses. I never had that before. That looks good.
Let's eat, Chris. 7 ways, Kim. It's AJ looking forward to the.
Oh yeah, football season right around
Yeah.
the corner. Like I think college in a couple of weeks.
I'm from Kim. Oh,
College season gonna be interesting. I'm just not gonna get into college football since Deion Sanders brother coach.
looks like nice restaurant. Yes. Maria and the other guys is from. Yes, it's Lilibet.
How long?
Yeah.
You know,
Chris
I was
S.
trying to see if I could
7 ways.
Huh?
Chris S. 7 ways.
Hi, 7 ways. Hello.
And then I've only been doing that nowhere, so.
Yeah, I use Cody. Even though office works and all that.
Hi. Finally, I made Sis Maria and Jay.
Yeah. Hey, Miss Lilibet. Yeah, it's 7 ways. Cowboy, real comedy. Gold. EJ.
That
From
word
Kim.
still coming.
Gold.
Oh
Gold.
yeah, coming. Yeah, go back, go.
So, Kim, you said you want to come here in the Philippines. So why you will not come? I don't know if
yeah.
Kim were from. Hi, Flying
I
Circus.
see you with the
Hello.
jersey and everything. I see you. I see you got the Frank Tate in the back.
And you know what, Chris? I've been sleep only 2 hours since when I doing like last night, right?
Yeah. I was like, when did you sleep? Because
Yeah.
when I messaged you, I was going to sleep. I got me about a good 6 hours.
Yeah, but because since last night I drink macchiato from Starbucks, and then I drink making coffee. And then this morning when I wake up, when I go to SM, I buy also a Starbucks. I think tonight, I don't know, we'll see if I can sleep.
She be doing a marathon like 9, 10.
Yeah, actually I do live last night almost 9 hours.
9 hours.
No, not only me, with 7 ways.
She got a nice community.
Yeah, with Peter.
Everybody help each other out.
Yeah, and then I close my camera and then I take a nap.
Yeah, Bob, 7 ways.
Yes, 7 ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's really that we have insomnia.
What's the password here?
Insamada.
Inside.
The big letter E. And then the
You
rest small.
scan it.
You scan. You want to scan? Safely. Scan. Safely.
No, I don't have.
Did you get already?
Yeah.
No, you can use your camera and then click on it.
Yeah. Try to take power nap. Hey. Not here. Hey, flying circus. Hello.
That's what
Kamusta maganda? I'm still maganda, Kim. No, it's a joke.
Yeah. You be having some
Let's
good
drink.
information.
I order
About
mushroom
pineapple.
soup.
I know you always like, hey, want me to
EJ,
create a
don't get
pineapple
Maria.
food?
Laseng. Na, she will cause drama, diba? Hoy, Kim, I am not. He said, don't drink. Don't drink. Of course not. What do you think of me? Thinking of you? Said, don't make it laseng. Word laseng. Drunk.
Oh, she will call drama at the bottom.
Yeah.
Capital letter E. In.
Insa.
Inside.
Madam.
Madam.
Yeah, we don't have spoon. I thought this one. Yeah. I'll take it. We don't have.
Is it a spoon?
No. Just only 4. This one. It's a big. And tissue. You want the tissue? Ay.
American, they don't use spoon.
Yeah, that's why. But we have cheese for you.
Thank you.
For your soup.
Okay, time na sis.
And this is supposed to be a salad?
No, that dressing on it?
Yeah,
Inside
they already got
my-
Okay, that's what you need to call it.
Behave, Maria. Put those toy boys down. Toy 7 ways. Lilibet, single. The husband of Sis Lilibet. Frank.
Still kind of like,
Frank. Sis Lilibet.
don't show my picture.
Right.
I don't want nobody coming in.
No, I can't see them.
Yeah, asking
I'm
for
taken.
taken already.
This is my husband.
Frank.
Oh, what?
No, Kim asking if Lilibet is a single. I said no. The husband is here. Or
She's my boss. Carbonara, Sherry.
yeah, sharing carbonara. Yeah, very small. Actually, that is table. We can put all the food.
I'm sorry.
All the food we can put.
But
We don't have a much bigger table.
you don't have a bigger
We don't have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Talang yun lang.
The same. There's no big table.
Yeah, no.
What is that?
Garlic rice.
Yeah. Garlic rice?
Why there's a garlic rice?
Why we don't? No, it's a garlic bread.
Bread.
Not garlic rice.
To order garlic bread. Okay. So sorry. Did you order bread? Rice? Ah, that's why.
Oh, we're doing the shareable?
Yeah, this is coming.
But we gotta get some plates.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, I will ask first. Excuse me. Can you give me some extra plate? Extra plate. Extra. Yes. This is for pizza.
So we don't need glasses to cool down.
Yeah, it's still hot. Okay. Sharing. That's why I ordered sharing. See? So many.
Medyo mainit lang.
Okay.
Bago sanitize lang.
Okay. I give it 3. No, later. When I finish this, and then I will cook.
We need one more plate?
One more?
Or was y'all getting a pizza?
No, we have already.
Okay.
Wow. Please, the one with the biggest MasterCard. Garlic means they... What?
Where's
No
Peter?
kissing.
Peter sleeping?
Yeah, I did that. Tita Maria is living the best compared to the us. No. Garlic rice. No, I did not order a garlic rice.
Put the water in that hot glass, then a couple of...
Ayan. Okay.
It's
It's
okay?
okay. Yeah, this is a cinnamon with apple iced tea. Stay?
The same.
Okay.
Thanks.
How about this one? Stay? Let's eat. I'm hungry. Sorry.
Let's see it.
You take it already, PJ.
Oh, yeah.
So there's a fourth in there?
Yeah. Sorry.
That's good.
Mine. PJ. Hi, you have already. So small space. That's why. They will serve balot. No, there's no balot, please. In this fine establishment. No, we don't have a balot. Carbonara and pizza.
Oh, now we gotta take a picture. I'm a foodie. I always take a picture of my food.
Sorry guys, I'm hungry.
Somebody asked if you had the roof. Did somebody ask if you had the roof?
Please. Yes. He said, we have a balot. Yeah.
No, the two gentlemen here, they don't eat balut.
I don't think
You
they
eat
serve
balut,
it.
PJ?
Vice ganda.
Plan on it.
I don't know him. But me, I remember I told you, I'm not getting balot. That's only the yellow. Yeah, but the inside the chicken.
Well, you have to get the balut just like 17 days because very small, you know, the duck embryo.
No,
But if it's 22 days, it's gonna be
Yes, like a chick. But I never tried, really. Ever since, I never tried to eat them.
I eat balut. One or two.
That's only the yellow one. Yes, I like it.
I don't eat baby.
Yes, of course. Chicken feet, no? Masarap started with it. No,
I like
okay.
chicken feet. Chicken feet adobo. You know, Chinese style. Oh, I actually from here.
How about you, AJ?
I never tried it.
It's good.
I tried,
It's more
but
on collagen.
I don't know.
Just like
I try also, but I don't like it.
fish head.
Oh, yeah, I don't want
Also bangos?
That's up to them.
Salmon cake, you know, sinigang sa miso. Oh, I
Yes,
love that.
yes. Salmon, yes. I like salmon. Salmon.
But fried.
You don't like salmon?
I don't mess with
I will never eat fish usually. Or all kind of fish.
I mean, yeah, I eat fish, but the head gets
Ah, yeah. Yeah, I had, yeah. Just only the part of the body of the fish,
I
yes, I
really
can.
I like catfish.
Mm. But you have some food, you will never eat some kind.
Well, he tries some, but you know, his enemy is, you know, the ampalaya. But
Ay, I like
That
it.
is bad, man. You better buy it.
Bitter.
What is it called?
Bitter.
What's that?
It's
what bitter melon?
Bitter.
Bitter melon.
Melon?
it's nasty.
Oh, okay.
It's good.
You ain't
I
gonna
like.
No?
That's why, you know, the reason why he can pronounce the word ampalaya because that's the reason.
Because he doesn't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, every time I go to a sushi restaurant, I always say no wasabi.
Wasabi.
Yeah. You like wasabi?
Oh my god. Yeah, even in your ears, you find out. Oh my god. No.
Especially, you know, the fresh wasabi. Really, you know,
Yeah, it's very strong. That's why.
yes, I don't mind almost anything wrong.
One, yeah.
Okay. But if I am in that duck with the baby and I ain't even mind.
Balot. You want to try?
he eat catfish, but I don't eat catfish.
Mushroom soup is good, right?
Yeah.
How about you, Piggy? It's good.
I didn't try the soup.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good. Yeah.
No, yes. Mushroom soup.
Oh, it's good?
It's good, yeah.
Not overpower the cream.
Yeah.
Somebody said you're gorgeous.
Okay, thank you. Very good. She's generous. Tita will pay for me. No, you pay. You pay. No, it's a joke. True. Tracer, your report, please. I want to experience like that high-end restaurant. Yes. Come, I think by next year, Chris. By December. Next year, my vacation, I don't like June or July or vacation. For me, I like it December.
More activities in December.
No, less like this situation, you know, typhoon, raining. Usually, like this month, it's mostly raining, right? So
Is
that's why
it cooler out in December?
in Macau, yes. It's starting winter. November, December, January, February, March. Winter. Okay.
That's when I always would come here during the winter months. You know, get away from the house.
Yeah. I've been getting some bad snow up there.
First time I was here, man. I'm sitting up and watching the TV.
Actually, Chris, my passport expired. When? Really? You can renew, Chris. Hopefully next year, Chris. Remember I told you I'm planning to meet you also. But now I meet up Lilibet, TJ. But admin is not busy. We have a work, so that's why.
Well, I'm sitting here
Hopefully
so
next year.
finish the ladder
And you, Chris,
on the roof of this building.
Some people.
that is the
Well, you know, I got
Chris is one of my generous super chatter. Chris. Chris.
Where's Chris located? Chris, where you located?
From Australia.
Australia, okay. That's on my bucket list too.
Chris, more super chat, please. We need to pay this.
No. He the one first sending to me 130 Australian dollars. Wow. Chris. That's why.
Is Captain Billy Jack is still here?
What? That's why I never ever forget you, Chris. I'm so thankful, Chris, really. You know that.
That's a lot of food.
Hmm?
Hopefully you can eat it all.
It's okay. It's okay. We have a takeout. It's allowed, you know.
Yeah.
Did you like a fork or spoon? I leave it because there's no space.
Yeah.
Much better, right?
Give me your.
Because no space, sorry.
Thank you.
Hi, Serge. Nagdalang shoutout, Serge. Still waiting for my invitation. Oh, I asking you how many times, Serge, but you don't like. Serge.
Search in.
Yes, Serge, remember? But you don't like. That's why. EJ. Frank. She's Lilibet. Serge.
Yeah.
Serge, did you know that?
Yeah. He knows search.
Ah, okay. I cannot see because my phone is low, ma. Hi, Chris. 7 Ways, Kim, Frank, Lilibet, coming from Serge. Hi. Hello, Tito. Serge, coming. Okay. Stop telling people that I want them to thinking I'm kuripot. No, you are not kuripot, Chris. Don't say that. I know you are so generous. That's why. Okay, Chris. It's not a chip anymore, Chris. Even the photo group picture costs just 10 euro a pound for the 3 pictures. Wow, up 10 pounds for the picture. 10 pounds for the 3 picture.
3 pounds?
Yeah, 10.
10?
10 pounds. I don't know, so 7 Ways said. They seem nice couple. Why, Kim? Are you jealous?
So Kim, you have to come here in the Philippines. You miss the beautiful faces of Philippines.
Why are you jealous, Kim? Huh? Because you said you don't like to come here. That's why I'm asking you last night, remember? But you don't like. Kagabi kasi, sabi ko, Kim, you want to meet me?
He's here in the Philippines.
I don't know. Are you sure, Kim? Are you in Australia or UK? But she said, he in UK. What? The accent like Australia. Chris. Kim.
Australia passport is $402. Yeah, that's what somebody just said.
Kim.
Like 110, I think. 120.
Might have to do. I got found me for passport. Why are you jealous, Kim? Huh?
$12 a year.
For what?
Why don't you break it down? It was up a few years.
Ano? Saan yan? Yung sa bahay niyo? What happened? Hey guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. 8 million people in the house, no giving thumbs up. Wow.
Leave it a thumbs up.
Are you kuripot for the thumbs up?
Thumbs up on screen.
Even your foot, give it. Give it to me. Ay, nako, London, syempre. Sure. Okay, fine. said he is in London. Okay, that's what you said. Okay, let's eat, guys. Sorry, I cannot eat. You see, Lilibet and finish that meal. It's okay. I finish my mushroom soup. Yeah,
Who's that? Who said that?
Kim. Asking, are you still in Angeles? Yeah.
Yes.
End of month. What? Until when?
I go to Japan in September, like the first week of September, but I'll be in Angeles until then.
Yeah, see? That's why 7 ways, right? Kim is like an accent with Aussie. No, I'm not in Angeles. Who told you, Chris? That's only EJ. I never, ever, never. I've never been going in Angeles, no, never.
No,
No, I never
I just
tried.
don't.
No, I'm not. Even,
I've been to Angeles many times.
even before, I never tried. Winter.
Going to SM, Angeles, Filipino Casino,
No, I think I just only the coast. Because the backpack going to Manawag. Yeah. I'll be in Philippines. Start of what? Or start of what?
Okay.
What
What?
sport?
Hey, Kim, what day do you arrive?
By Togo? Fourth? It's already tomorrow. Fourth, right?
I thought
Today
you
is
just put the
3.
number 4, meaning like 4 something.
I don't know. Kim, to be honest, sometimes your English or your Tagalog, I cannot understand. Even I'm,
make us confused to understand.
yeah, look at that. How did you,
I'll be in Philippines for start of, I don't know.
For the start of the NFL season.
abbreviation? Just only like that by word, by letter. Right?
That's taglish.
I don't know. To be honest, your tag list, I cannot understand. Sorry, I'm not smart, but really. Philippine bar.
Phillies are.
Tag list. In USA.
NFL is football.
In Philippines, we have?
We don't have NFL that's in the States.
Yeah.
And into the city, there's a bar called Philly Sports Bar. And they show all the games and everything.
But in the
Yeah.
Philippines, we don't have.
In Angela City.
Angeles City, we have?
Angela City. Oh, y'all don't have a team?
Yeah.
But they have the Philly Sports Bar that will show it on TV.
Ah, that's only in
That's
TV.
what I think she's talking about.
Ah. I thought actual playing, but we don't have.
Oh, no, just watch it on TV.
Yeah. Our government likes do the saying increase the passport. Yeah, because 7 ways will renew the passport. Hopefully we'll travel. Hopefully. Right? 7 ways?
Have you wanted to visit America? Would you? Neither.
How about you?
No,
Why?
I'm not. Actually, I
Applied.
applied for twice, but I know I was turned down twice. And
There's some problem? Right there?
I don't know. There's no problem about my papers, but I don't want to be prejudice against Americans, but it's just like
How about
there's a-
France? You want to stay forever here in the Philippines?
Feel that we should be able to live in both places.
Mm.
We should be able to get a visa to be able to visit the United States. I don't
Yeah.
want to stay there and live. I don't mind visiting during the summer, but I don't want to live in the
Usually you don't like mostly winter season. You don't like in fall.
I don't like the politics in the United States.
That's why you want to live in here in the Philippines.
I feel safe here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, more than in US, right? Compare.
I've been gone for 6 years.
Oh, you were living
First
here?
year, it was so hard for me to not have a friend on my side. I'm so used to having my friend that, you know, when you get your clothes on,
Yeah.
and you just like something's missing. You don't feel right.
It's like walking out of the house without your watch.
God love that exotic time color. Yeah, that's why. Too many white here. May as well get a morena. One there. Morena. Yeah, that is a Filipina color. People said, if you look at me and in the screen, if you did not see me in like this, you said my color is white. No, it's the same, right? Same color.
no and dark.
No, even me. Right? Same. Yeah,
I'm dark.
that's why. That's why people said, Maria, are you color white? I said, no. I'm same Filipina color, of course. I'm Filipina. Kaya nga eh, baka lang nila ano ako maputi.
Itar. With tita.
But not, right? The same.
Well, one of the things about Filipinos, y'all have a spectrum of color too, from white to black.
Black.
Okay, just like we do. We've got people in the past for like in my family. Okay, I didn't know that there was a difference between people because some of my family looked like they were white. We would have a little get together. They were family.
Ay, bak.
I found out there was a difference.
We have here the rice, garlic rice. But you did not order the garlic rice. Yeah, nasa receipt.
Somebody said, oh, look at these.
Garlic rice.
We have to,
No. Kinancel na? Hindi, hindi kinancel. Kaya ka mamaya baka makita. Ano? Kasi ang order natin, dalawang garlic bread.
not garlic rice.
You know, yeah. Akin na ano natin.
Yeah. Here.
Excuse me.
If avoid na lang.
The order to order garlic bread. But
We did not order
we
garlic
have
rice.
ordered garlic rice. Can you avoid me? From the receipt. Garlic bread to order, right? But came one garlic rice. No order garlic rice. I can see on also. Can you avoid? Okay. Because you only one order garlic bread. Only this, okay. But we have in the receipt garlic rice.
Well, that shows you that racism is out.
Yep.
No, we don't have rice. Who told you, Kim? Look at that. We have a rice. You said Filipina because we love rice.
Yeah, I learned that like man, like 'cause you don't experience it. Yeah, even here I never experienced it.
Masarap din yung garlic bread.
Mostly it's either
Ano siya yung
or
yung bread, ay quality ng bread.
not based off your
Parmesan
Yeah.
bread. Hmm? Yung,
Like racism.
yung malalaki?
Just in America, but I don't know how it is in Europe. They live in the Western, you know. They follow whatever Americans do for the most part.
No, 7 ways. Mocha girl. Of course.
And in the United States.
Be nice. Why I will ask that? No, 7 ways. Ask the girl on the next table. They are mocha girl. No. That is you know,
Disrespect.
yeah.
We have to respect.
It is just different level of people.
It's like from one of my
Time to the phone. Look in
from over here.
fortune.
Get your ass what you have.
Kabilang babae daw lagi nagamit.
Yung katabi.
Oh, it's okay. None of your business. My God. Chris, you
Don't say it, just enjoy their faces.
Yeah, you just look at.
And this was before.
Yeah.
Red flag. Yes, that is a red flag. Please, you know, be respect.
What I thought about.
Yeah.
Now, I'm listening to him talk like if he making money.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, you driving a car,
Right.
okay?
Did you know? Still we have. Still we have.
I'm on a diet.
Huh? Really? Come on. What a surprise.
I will.
For real?
Got the pizza too.
Yeah.
For real?
Are you sure? That's why I'm shocked.
That's what I say when I don't want to do anything. Then I'm on the down process. And I got a slow process, so you might not get an answer.
That's why.
Just a poor guy. When he pulled up, to the high rise.
Parang yung may mga may mga sulat-sulat ng mga bata.
I think this is the feedback from the customer.
Yeah.
Ain't that the
Ayun,
book bag cover?
yun dun,
And all I can do is just shake my head. Yeah, I want to think all the best I could.
You know, the guy that outside is just like has your attention. You're not talking to him, but you know he's talking to
Yeah.
you.
The girlfriend.
Yeah, so that's why these men don't really understand that, you know, he's dealing with Filipino. The Filipino gonna jealous because he's
Yeah, because he talked to me.
Maria.
Sabi, can I go with you? You want? I said, together with the girlfriend. Can you imagine that?
Girlfriend.
Yeah.
Very jealous.
It's so funny sometimes because, you know, I'm usually online and not being seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm monitoring.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know,
Guys will be hitting on her. And they see my comments and I guess they don't put it together. They're tape. You know, it's just funny to me.
as a Filipina, you know, to be respected. That's why I know the feeling of the Filipino. It's something like that, the talking, we have a girlfriend, you know. It's not good, to be honest. That is the reason I don't like some foreigners. I think it depends to the Filipino how to encourage or to talking. If you know, there's some girlfriend together, right?
Yeah.
That's why, nagulitan mo. Napansin ko na, I observe, since when came near, together with the girlfriend, I saw him, the eyes is on me. I said, why? That's why I said, I just ignore. He's talking to her how many times, right?
Yeah.
He's talking how many times? With girlfriend, can you imagine? I just ignore. Even the menu. Can I eat the menu? Of course, why not? Give it to him.
That's why I'm just, I'm just look at the girl, if
Yeah.
the girl, but he has
Jealous.
to stop.
Yeah.
Because I know some Filipino, they don't really accept the fact that, I'm not one of those that are jealous that. But sometimes, you avoid things complex.
Yeah. Well,
Especially if you have
you have a
Filipina,
boyfriend or
and I'll talk to you. Oh my God! After when you go home, the Filipina will attack you.
yeah.
Your girlfriend.
Mostly here in the
She
Philippines.
gonna
You know?
make them cook.
Yeah. Jealous. That is a big problem. Yeah. Yeah, I saw him already. Very far. Look at me. I ignore. I just pretend I never see him. And then he's sitting from in the back, starting talking. Yeah. That's why I know. Kaya nga ano ko na lang. Makakaano na lang doon ko. We respect to the Filipino. Right?
Yeah, living in the industry, it changed my mindset with the whole jealous stuff. Like, you can't get jealous, but like people gonna be who they are, you can deal with it or not.
Yeah. But you know, there is a kind of class system. A difference between the rich and the middle class and
I think that is the guy. Remember when I still not yet meet up in the ground floor? I saw him already.
You recognize him.
Yeah, I think. And then, he's talking, but I ignore. I never. So I just go out and then looking you. But I saw him already. He said, where are you going? I said, like, together with the girlfriend. Can you imagine? It's not respect, you know? I remember I recall it already from the basement. Hindi ko na siya. Kaya lang, hindi ko na lang.
Okay na kuya.
Wala na rin yung garlic rice.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Really na raw yung garlic rice.
Yeah, sometimes you have to be aware what you order and check in of the receipt. Because sometimes they just punch, but you don't order that. It's that receipt.
Like when you order something special, like let's say you don't want something on your like meal or whatever, also make sure they write it down. Therefore, not give you the ad.
You remember
Di ba yun lang in-order natin the extra garlic bread?
two.
Where the other one?
2 pieces.
Ah, that is two? No, that is ordered just the only carton. Yeah, but here it's two. Order.
Yeah, I saw two slice.
Yeah.
That is right.
Yeah, two slice. I thought the bread is big.
Yeah.
I thought that's why I said you have to.
Yeah, that's why.
I was thinking it was gonna be a dollar bread,
Yeah.
long and
Yeah. Like a roll. Like, yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference here. The serving of food here is small.
Yeah.
Than the United States. So also in
Macau, yes,
yeah,
it's the biggest. Mostly.
serving.
Yeah. You know the Subway? The size of bread? Subway? Did you know that? The Subway? Yeah. Yeah. It's a big foot long bread.
Yeah, foot long. Yeah.
Yeah. And then it depends on you if you want half only.
Yeah.
It's a big Subway bread.
yeah, but I have to eat a foot long.
Here in the Philippines we don't have
But
here.
then, most of the time, it's really not a foot long.
Hmm.
If you were to put
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not. Seriously, it's not food long.
Yeah.
Just like 11 inches.
Now, what did you think?
Yeah.
Have you been to McDonald's?
Yeah.
What did you order something when they gave you the rice ball?
But you talking about the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you
The
order,
rice ball.
Yeah.
if you order with chicken, rice is follow.
Come with it. I'm gonna like, I don't
Like,
want
what is,
to. Yeah.
what is this?
Why are you jealous, Kim, EJ? Huh?
Like, what is this?
Good evening, brother. Halfway. Hey, halfway. Good evening. Hey, sir. Why? Kim, what's wrong with you?
I don't think you order the chicken by itself. It has to come with the rice.
My goodness.
Oh. I'm good. I'm good.
What's wrong with you, EJ?
And then when we went shopping, learning about all of the different kinds of rice that they have here. In Chicago, I know long grain, short grain,
Yeah.
brown
Carbonara.
rice,
Yes,
you
man.
know. And here they got black rice, red rice, purple rice.
I didn't know red rice was a thing.
Sticky rice, red rice.
All kind of rice.
I grabbed and I seen red rice. I'm like, I thought that was a joke.
Frank, would you like some pasta? Pizza.
Enough? Yes, hello.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm okay.
EJ, take it some.
Well, I like the gravy at McDonald's better than Jollibee though.
McDonald's. Lover, McDonald lover. Because in Macau, McDonald's, we don't have a rice.
It's all thing open after like 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
Midnight?
Burger King, that's what I'm ordering to get my chicken sandwich.
By the way, you have 7 ways. Why are you still awake? Why you did not sleep? For a screen.
Got it.
Yes.
My buddy was on the Jollibee.
How about you, Serge? When you will visit here in the Philippines? Serge.
Go ahead, go.
Only. Go EJ, go EJ.
I'll think about it once Chris come here and become a wingman.
He's too busy making dollar. Who? Who, Chris? Hi, David. Island Life and Adventure. Hello. Good to see you, David. Halfway. Chris is the own motorcycle. Yes, what comfy. Okay. Hey, mate, David. Hello, I cannot see. So very fast. It's not easy. Look at that, it's so fast. All stuff working for you. Oh,
I got my webcam and mic. I'm trying to start doing some live streams here in the near future.
because my phone is slower, but
There's a lot of political
Yeah.
it's not really me. I don't mind.
I would do it as a hobby.
Yeah. I don't
Just
mind.
whenever you get bored. Just
In
like
3 years
don't
down.
have to be an obligation any set time, you know, like some people like
no need to rush now. Wow.
Saturday at that time.
Where did you stay, Serge?
Like, cause I just do it as a hobby. Like,
I'll start working in 3 years. Okay.
Editing video.
Good. Make it for good. Tita Maria will be out
They be
there.
like,
Aha,
be in
7
the
ways.
Philippines, like taking videos.
Please,
about
7
Japan,
ways
like,
halfway.
like,
No need to rush. Yeah,
That
I
was,
know.
that was too much.
Where did you stay? Search. If ever you come here,
Yeah, no rush, no
search.
rush.
Tita Maria, when
show you
the
a different part of the
bill
world.
arrives, just say you need to be excused to go to CR. Okay, you can send now. Chris, hi David. Hello David, love.
That's the only way you
Like,
make money, you know what I mean? Treat it as a job.
you can send now. It's okay, Chris.
One situation.
I did some taping or whatever like that while I was riding motorcycle.
Oh, okay, yeah, moto blog. Moto blog.
The bill will be
That's
huge.
even that even gets
No, just small. Just small. Don't worry.
The food is cheap.
Yeah, it's very, very cheaper.
Oh yeah,
In
yeah,
the States.
yeah. Pumping dope.
They, you know, they'll pull up on the side of it and ride on the side. It'll be 3 deep on one side of the
Ano
street.
daw?
And you know, and in the United States.
Tita, you share with us the total
Also,
bill.
like if they look at they,
Yeah, share, share.
They look like they speeding.
You start now. 7 ways. 7 ways. Come on. No, that's a joke.
Yeah, that's what we riding and
No. How come? It's no. Thank you.
it's
Who
really,
told you? No.
but in the car,
It still not cost $100. You know, Chris? It's still not
I
cost.
think with traffic being the way it is here, I think there's less people on their phone texting about traffic. But you got, like you said, you got to be aware of everything.
No.
yeah.
Yeah.
No. Yes. Yes, Dave. All of Asia.
Actually, it's in America than here. But the way they drive, they got it worked out.
No, man, they do that as an accident. You didn't see some people
Okay, guys, I will
especially
put the camera to sis Lilibet. Lilibet will entertain you.
nobody really had one because, like I said, they don't follow the rules.
I need to focus on my food.
They know what the rules
Okay, so it's my turn.
Yeah, sometimes
So,
I've been in
I
traffic,
let
maybe
Sis
going
Maria
into
eat
oncoming
her
traffic and everything, just
So-
to take a shortcut. I'm like,
Question? What's your
please,
question, guys?
I'm trying to make, I'm just trying to go to this store
So
right
I'm done eating. I'm
It wasn't
good.
worth it.
The food is great.
She always
Satisfied.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Then it's not expensive, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, it's below me.
Yeah, I'm like,
You know, the two guys talking.
I like tractors to get me places faster than some cars, you know. Like if I take a Grab car,
Yeah.
then also the motorcycle, they get me faster than anywhere. Especially
Ang hirap
in
pag ano,
Manila, like Harrisburg.
ang hirap
Can pay you a bill? Ha ha ha.
Latte to Makati, it took like an hour.
She can
like,
afford
like
it.
3 kilometers.
Where Miss Lilibet is. You invite me next time, Lilibet.
We're going down a
With Sis
service
Maria?
Yeah.
Sure, why
side
not?
of the expressway. So you got 2 lanes. And so
Chris, I think more like 3,500 to 4K.
this side and this side.
They saying zero. You know what I mean? Whatever the fake rate tax, that's what it is.
How about now?
Can't be like, oh, since
Still
you
buffering?
created this many jobs, we're gonna give you a discount. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's my mindset.
Well, again, you got
How about now? 7 ways, Peter.
you know, you got millionaires and billionaires paying way less percentage
Woot woot coming from Chris.
than what we're paying. And that's not fair.
But don't forget to give a thumbs up,
Another
but
point of view, like that, I
7 ways,
why do they
Chris,
kind of tax?
Well, it's not a thing of
Peter, Halfway,
the government has
Dave,
to grant,
Yeah.
and it takes money.
people in the chat, thank you so much. I think I need to end now because my phone it will be low, but my charger, I don't know what's wrong, not working. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Woot woot. Chris, oh, you are back
and
now.
that's
Yeah,
where I
what
say,
happened?
Like, why does their
Nothing.
entitlement when they keep on spending over budget or waiting for spending, like, there's so many different things. That's why I'm just like, how about y'all get that situated?
I think the connection. Collection problem, please.
$1,000 toilet seat.
Yeah. They be going on a whole bunch of side
I was
quests.
loading for 10 minutes. Yeah, because it's connection problem. I think.
Be able to sell this stuff to the government so they can get over.
Yeah, like fix the spending, then fix the taxes.
I miss out on the food. Still the food we have, some
See, that's
remaining.
just like here, you know, they got the value added tax. So everything that you buy, you paying that value added tax.
I know I have bought I got me a PC bill here. If I would have did it with a credit card, I would have been double that.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is crazy.
Share mo sa akin yung picture sis. Yung sama picture.
When I was going to put it on my credit card.
Yeah.
Okay? Until they told me what the charge would be.
Yeah.
If I put it on the credit card.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Right. Right, double the price, right?
yeah. I'm like, I just go get the cash and we'll just pay cash.
Yeah.
Di ba may USB?
What I was going to do was just put it on the
Pwede
credit
mo
card
charge mo.
and have the money taken out of my bank account.
Meron din pala doon sa amin, sir. May ano. Pwede pala yun.
No, they moved. I got exactly how much it was. It was just way too much. It was ridiculous.
Yeah, I could have bought some pizza.
Yeah,
I could have
like,
bought two
this
cars.
what are you talking about? You're going to get all the money right away like my financing.
Right,
Put
exactly.
it on the card, you're going to get your money. So
I have only like this, but we don't have a socket. Did you?
That's what I just say.
Did you have a socket? Yung... Yun
yeah,
lang.
that's what I
Ay, ito meron ako.
if I use my credit card, I pay it right away.
Nadala ko pala.
So that I don't pay any interest.
Yep.
And then I see,
We kind of really use my credit card on the stage. Just like they got like a program where it's like 0% interest for like 1 year or 2 years.
yeah,
I'm like, okay, I can pay that down. Take my time.
yeah, that's the thing I believe in. That's cash and cash.
Yeah.
That will save way more money.
Right. Instead of just giving it away.
Yeah.
Ay, so pala meron ako. Hindi ko rin nadala ko.
That's EJ.
AJ.
Power bank inside.
Sis Maria.
Pasensya ka na sis, nasa backup. Okay lang sis Mars, pang food. Sis Mars,
And you know who's this?
I am a full passport bro.
you
So
need
would
to
you
carry
please
around a power bank.
feel
Yeah, I
sorry for
have,
me?
but I need a
Everybody
socket.
send me $100 each. Okay?
Yeah, because Frank is broke.
Help me. I'm a helpless man.
Yeah.
Help a passport bro. I don't want to starve. Don't make me starve.
Sorry, ano, they're using the credit card of their rich dad. Who? Sis Lilibet? Hot babes are working of their full day with the chip of the bag. Room.
So
Power
Frank,
bank.
what is your advice for those who wants to travel to the Philippines?
Just get a plane ticket. It's simple. Get your passport. Get a plane ticket. And come. It don't cost that much. It's cheap here, the hotel.
I don't know whether something wrong with my power bank.
It doesn't cost
It's not
a whole lot of
working.
money like if you're going to Europe or something like that. It's just
not
the only
working.
thing that I can say is that you might not
I don't
like
know
that
why
long
not full
flight.
charge.
Most of the flights are at least
We'll see.
18 to 20 hours,
I'll
20
check.
something hours. And,
I forgot to charge mine before I left the house.
You'll have
Yeah, I
fun
full
when
charge
you
after
get here. It really
all
works.
this.
It really
Yeah,
works.
but I don't know
That's,
why.
that's my advice. Just do it.
Okay, AJ, what is your advice as well?
Oh, pretty much similar. You just gotta make it a priority. You can plan ahead, like where you don't have to like save up something like just $100 a month. Eventually, you can travel the following year. That's about it. Do your research on the places you want to go. That way, you can have a better time.
Yeah, that's a good, that's a good message. So, my message to all listeners, not only for passport,
All wants to
travelers,
come.
also expats, all you have to do is just get your passport, book your plane ticket, and visit.
Put it on your credit
Quick,
card.
quick.
You put everything else
Quick.
on.
So that one working?
I don't know. I pre-charged this one last night. I don't know. Now it's not. See?
Who's this? Too good to love. So yeah, we just
Okay. Thank you, Sis Mars Bangkut. Search IEP
Hi,
third
Frank
one.
and Anileo.
If Kakakris come. Hey, Peter.
Back to Pagpila.
Howdy, boys. You enjoy
Okay,
this
hi.
winter, Peter.
So we're here in Momo.
Peter. Good
We
evening,
met
Peter.
some brother,
What
AJ.
is that smoke, baby, brother? They even bought a date for the Maria. Hi, Peter. Don't
And of
make it
course,
sorry.
my dear
30K.
friend Maria.
Don't make it story, Peter. Peter, don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. I know you still in the background, but Peter, I great to see you. The cubes are nice. Constancy, yes. I prefer
I really
Gomba.
like the soup. The soup is real.
Yeah, I like
That's the first time I had that.
The soup, yes. Mushroom soup.
The sandwich is good. The sandwich is good. I even like the little nutty taste of the salad.
yeah, because they add like a slice of almond,
Yeah,
walnut, and then the dressing is balsamic.
yeah. And then
Raisin.
the drink is good.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can you borrow the, what call this,
You know, I ate it before I left.
Oh, okay, got you. You played it smart.
And we're not really good at that. Like, first year of our marriage, so I visit
because I have only how many percent, so I need to travel. So I don't know what's wrong why my power bank's not working.
Then after I got sick and was in the hospital, lost all of that.
How is it? Did you like it?
And so now I'm starting to gain it back.
Gain it back,
Yeah. But I still don't want to get it all.
Right.
I still would prefer to stay slim
Yeah.
instead of getting
It's
healthy.
Yeah.
garlic bread. And I order also carbonara and pizza. Meatballs, pizza. Of course not, Peter. Hang on.
Hi, Peter.
Yeah, Peter is here.
Kamusta?
Peter's
I'll
here.
just go there.
Peter is here.
Hi, Peter.
She's Lilibet, Peter.
Finally, I met Sis Maria.
So, do you do any traveling around the Philippines or?
No.
Yes, Peter. I did admit channel, channel,
Like I said, it's gonna
Lin channel.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Lilibet, come from Seven Ways.
next year.
Huh?
Hey, Lilibet, come from Seven Ways.
Oh, okay.
Wow, Lily has some nice fur. Uy, sana all.
Okay.
I'm from Frisco. Frisco.
Passing it. Yeah. Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, but if we buy a house, we just put money into it.
Yeah.
Really going
Oh, yeah, I am.
Right.
I am. No, Sis Maria is very generous. Very generous. My goodness. I'll show you, you know, she gave me a big roll of Toblerone.
You ever get in the morning?
I will bring out 60%. I give some of the brother of the Yolanda and some of my friends.
I'll show you guys, you know, the big Toblerone that
No.
Sis Maria gave.
Like some detergent or something?
I'll show
Santa Maria will pay the bill. No, not me. You please. You the one to pay. You pay, you pay.
Credit card is hard.
See? This is gigantic Toblerone.
Yeah.
Ate Maria, kuripot, di ba?
Yes.
Hi, Captain Deli Jack!
If not, then I just wait till I apply for the SRV because I heard that they
Really, I will show you who with you. With you. Really. PJ. Really.
Yeah, it should be
Hello,
good.
Maria is short Lily. Not short Lily.
She called me short because, you know, I told him before, Lily Beth, and then I told him, you know, you can call me Lily for short. That's why it starts, you know, he called me short.
PJ, please. Captain Billy Jack. PJ and Frank. Captain Billy Jack.
Billy Jack.
Yeah. Captain Billy in the Bohol.
You know?
Yeah, Bohol.
Billy Jack?
Yeah, Billy Jack.
I know Billy Jack.
Yeah, you know Billy Jack?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right now he in. Yeah, hello Frank. I'm from Captain Billy Jack. Good to see you.
Yeah, because he's always on Lily's channel.
Yeah. Hope all is well, Captain Billy Jack. Hello, bud.
You know,
Good evening, Lily. Hello, please. Hello, Maria in Short Lily.
Billy Jack.
Hey, brother Billy. You had a wonderful day.
But the other one, the Billy Jack, you know, he's a mean person. But the other one is a gentleman.
No, there's no chocolate cake. Peter
Are
said,
y'all getting dessert?
only Toblerone, Maria, not sharing your chocolate fudge cake. Of course, no. That's only chocolate.
Well, that is what Mary Grace is known
And,
They cake.
hey, May, Captain Billy, confirm, please.
Yeah, when I stayed in
Two big chocolate. Yeah, 7 way, at least.
carrot cake from.
Maria came for the meal. So, Maria, I want my mastercard. Ba.
That's one thing I like about the Philippines. It's like
Maria.
like everything
Yes, Kim.
easily able to walk and everything. Like
Share your blessing, Kim. If I'm kuripot, you too, I think.
You know what
Oh, you want farm. That sounds good. Yes, but I went to that one farm today in Bohol. We eat very good. Oh, good.
Then if they have pineapple,
Yeah.
they got coconuts all over the place.
Right,
But they
right.
don't seem to use that to make
Did you want
cake.
sharing if you want? You just give, put a little bit and then remain
Oh,
you.
that's good.
No, no, it's not. It's okay. Not much.
Yeah, so I just see them making them coconut water or whatever. That's the only thing I see with the coconuts. And I don't know if they just throw it away, the rest of it away.
Yeah, no coconut cream pie.
Yeah.
And that's good. Like
What
if
else
you go
do
to Baker Square in the States
Yeah.
and get that coconut cream pie, it's the bomb. It's the bomb. Okay? But sometimes and you would think that you would again
Yeah.
all of the ingredients.
Right.
I was not invited either for Sandra Fish. Guys, from the beginning, I invite you, all of you. Who else wants to come up and
You
join?
should have did a community post.
Yeah. Actually, I announced since we are still in Macau,
Who's complaining?
Chris. I was not invited either. Oh well. That's why I tell During my live, I said, anyone want to come and join to the meetup is welcome. Remember? Mhm. Some of my first lady friends are from Bohol. How about you, Bud? When you will visiting here in the Philippines? Did you have a plan? I was not invited to. Wait for Maria's page. Tito, Albert, he will go off as usual. I'll just crying in my little corner. All of you guys are welcome. See, TJ is here. She's admin. She did not come. She have a work. So, she's admin. If you are here, my something souvenir, I will send it to you. Okay? I just pretend that I'm eating that pizza. Yeah, pizza is here. Chris. Meatball. Meatball pizza. Yeah. If you want, there is.
Pizza from Chicago. So they just find out what pizza is really like.
I heard Chicagoans don't like the deep dish pizza because it's too much bread.
No.
Well, that's what Chance the Rapper said.
Where you go to.
Yeah.
If you go to somewhere like JADAANI, it's the bomb.
Knife na ito.
Oh, okay.
Or you could go to
Ayaw talaga gumana ng power bank ko.
a lot of people don't know about it. It's on fire.
Sa'yo muna humarap ko. Ayaw talaga gumana.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay na to eh. 70.
What? That's like a big box.
At least 5 years.
And like
Yeah.
when they bring it, they have to let it back down to the plate. And then cut it.
Do they have at the airport?
No.
They feel. I mean, like, do they feel like the new dish at the airport, or have you seen it today? Because I would think they would. Yeah. Like in the plane. If that know, like Cincinnati, known for like Cincinnati style chili. But that's like bad food where the pizza like that takes a little bit.
Have you tried the pizza in this? Is it hard?
Yeah, Donald.
Yeah.
See, this is so cheap.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
Let's try it. I think I will have this in our side. Parang membership siya ng store. Sarap na. Meron din sa SM. Try mo sa SM Martaw. Kung meron silang SM.
Do y'all have Okay.
Model pa naman po talaga. Depende the brand. Meron sila sa brand.
3-bedroom kid. Yeah. Oh, so that's the rest. Oh, okay. Yeah. road grid everywhere else. I think something at a supermarket, hypermarket. Yeah, they got that at the hypermarket. I'm just looking for some American hot sauce. I'm not going to get the Filipino hot
But you got to have a card.
We always, sometimes when we go here, we go to SM.
That's in Orlando.
Okay.
You get a lot of American items.
Yeah. The thing about them is like they membership fees like 13 and 13
Yeah, we pay 100.
I'll probably do that once I get back. They're about to give me a little apartment and I'll be able to get a bigger refrigerator so I'll but right now I got a little studio and I was like, I'm so like the things that it's all furnished. But once I get my apartment, I'll be furnishing it myself. Yeah. Even with the Airbnb, I don't go. I don't know, I got some weird, like, people with Airbnb don't feel comfortable using their dishes. I don't know why I'm weird. Yeah, the one dishes. I just like, I be looking at it, like, I don't feel like cooking today. Right. That's one thing I like about Manila, like the amenities that a lot of hotels, Airbnb have, or like a restaurant type or something, or just a regular convenience store, food.
Hi, Janet. Yes.
Oh yeah. That's the way my friend got it set up. He got a maid and sometimes they go to his grocery shopping and maybe cook him
So we have meet and greet with EJ and Sis Maria.
Yeah.
No, Peter. I just finished my food. Then I'm talking. The ladies will stay in the food. Oh. Now I'm full. That's why
She's really busog.
Christmas in this kind of no, it's a secret place later. What else? What I will do? I will make it Christmas this week.
We just got Italian meatballs pizza. And then Philly sandwich, carbonara, garlic bread, and peach apple,
Full. Don't need
cheese with cinnamon. It's good. There's still left pizza, but we're full now. But I like, the Philippines.
Yeah, I see that.
No. Even I don't have a history.
Yeah, the food is good. Janet,
Yeah, I will take home, of course not. Here's a
Yeah.
You said. No, I asked you.
I think I was like 37 when I first
Anong muna natin?
it just trying to get better and set the standard for all the system.
Janet, say hi to Smitch. She's from Chicago.
Oh, hey, what's up? Home girl, how's it going?
I mean,
What's up?
don't forget to like it. Yeah, let's go.
North side, south side, west side.
I think she
No.
said
That is my daughter, Bimbo.
South.
Okay, I'm South Shore.
Bimbo, yes.
Okay, born and raised here.
Did you watch that? Yes. I have a new
In what
latest
side?
upload.
South, west,
Manila.
north?
Manila.
Frank is in the north.
South side.
South side.
No, it's already done. 7 ways. Don't make it mania. It's already left. Asking the two ladies.
They already gone.
You are
All
7
sides.
ways, huh?
Heidi.
Hyde Park.
Hyde.
Yeah, Hyde Park.
Hyde.
Okay, yeah, I used to live in Hyde Park. I'm in South Shore now.
You're the same place, huh?
Like 2 states over.
Lakefront,
He's from
retired, Chicago.
Illinois, from Ohio.
Ah,
So you got Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio.
Kuya Bob also.
Washington State. Washington State. He's on the West Coast. Yeah. I go there 2 times. I'm not doing that more. Like 36 hours. Oh, okay. Oh, Fort Lewis, too. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Philippines from the 6 hours.
From where?
Chicago to Philippines, how many hours?
Oh, you need to connect it for the times.
Chicago, Minneapolis, and from Minneapolis to Japan, and from Japan.
Ah, the country, you need to go for connecting flights.
Yeah, so you can I went up with that layover, you got to wait an hour or 2 hours. So by the time
At least, yeah, but at flight. Not instead like in Canada, direct flight, 17 hours. Yes. Canada. No, because I tried before. I said, at least you have a connecting flight. We can leave. But like in Canada to Hong Kong, direct flight. 17 hours.
Oh my God, I can't imagine
Really?
that.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, in your back. You cannot stand because it's so pain.
Your butt is,
You
you feel
cannot sleep very well.
it's not.
Oh, really? That's why I tried that time when I went to 2010 because the employer really we have long travel, 17 hours. Non-stop. How many hours? Usually. Oh, 17 also? Yeah. That's what
And then when you get to Japan, you got an hour or 2 hours away. You need the plane that you made in
Yeah, exactly.
and then they load you back onto the plane, and then it comes to
Well, Janet said that, so hot here, AC are breaking the next wave, 10 days of heat. That's America. But here we just,
Early, that's why I could catch the next bus, 8:30.
yeah, I got the
The 8:30 one catch the bus, 8:30 bus at the airport.
Oh, so I really can. So that's all this one,
Okay, so I have to stop na guys. So thank you so much. See you next time.
Oh, no. No, I didn't. That's where I catch the bus. It's a direct bus to Angeles. Only like 90 minutes. Go with the bus ride, probably like 3 hours.
So where you gonna ride?
The Genesis bus
There's a Genesis bus station here.
at the airport.
And CITX?
What is it?
CITX?
In the airport.
Paranaque Integrated Terminal.
Oh, that's a message.
Yeah, it's a particle that here in the airport.
Oh, no, it's at the airport. It's at the airport. Like at the Bravo terminal.
It's airport that is new.
Okay.
Why is it that
But it's the Skyway.
So that you have to pass the entrance.
I'm not sure.
North Luzon Expressway.
Oh, okay.
no? Ano siya yung sa Skyway? It's a airport.
Yeah, that's not sure.
Yeah. That's why I got it. You need to go to the toilet before you leave.
But we have to.
At least I have a friend to bed.
Yeah, I was kind of nervous when I missed that first one because the bus was full.
So how long is the travel from bus from here going to Pampanga?
90 minutes, 1 hour and a half. But if I take the, I can't remember the name of
I
it.
said this one.
Oh, you're on vacation.
Oh,
You're on vacation.
okay.
Just save your money.
No, it's okay.
Maybe for your family.
No, of course. Family in Macau. Remember? All of my kids in Macau.
Oh, there? Oh, you don't have family here?
No, some of them, all of them. Is this our real?
Yeah.
All of
It's already paid? No. No, they have to pay. Kuya, excuse me.
Ingat na po.
Yeah.
Apply ko lang muna yung discount.
Okay.
One moment lang
Okay.
po.
I-apply mo na yung discount. Ayan.
You know what? That is the one thing I never use it.
Why? Why you like that?
I know. Much better. There's so many, right? So many useful
Yeah, look, it's going to knock on the harness that try to use it. And it's supposed to be on the
Even the company no, no, don't say no. You don't, you. Yes, no, that's you. It's okay.
We talked already with Sister and
That's what
Yeah, but like I said.
it's okay. It's okay. It's a good place, right? Yeah, but you do. That's why I take it.
bring it home.
Okay, I hope this is
I don't have microwave. I don't have
it's okay. You can do it. Yes.
While you're, because it's 7:30. Even if while you're,
Yeah, when you are asking in the back, then the bus is not saying it's not allowed to
or you can get to the bus drive.
Give it to the bus driver? Okay.
No, you need that. No. It's a good. No, so why you give it to others? Right?
Yeah, makes
Why
sense.
did you pay?
No, it's not good. It's not good. Right?
It is good. Yeah, it's surprised. I do it all the time.
Even you need to tell.
I get
Depends on you.
like when I'm hungry, so I get it to like my family. It's not wasting. Give it to me.
Are you hungry?
No, a family. Like a family in need.
Yes.
Like some squatter. Squatter.
Ice cream for people.
Yeah.
But it's better to hear it, you know. Yeah. So, yeah, if you want to see
Big I
someone,
am. I need to go on a diet.
no, if you want to see someone, you would not like ready. Okay? I use my food. I need to prepare my things, you know.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. All of you is there. 9 million people in the chat still. Oh my God, sorry, Peter. I thought I'm finished already. 9 million people in the house. Thank you. And Peter, Chris, bye-bye. Thank you. 7 ways, Bad, and Kim, bye-bye. I only keep on asking my father. Yeah, thank you, Chris. Bye-bye. God bless. Oh my God. Can you imagine 11 people in the house? When I finish and then you still coming?
Yeah, we're almost gonna go.
Yeah.
Goodness.
Hi, Kahilab TV. Hello. My God, shout out. Guys, thank you and God bless everyone. And thank you for joining. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to...
Hasta luego. Muchas gracias, mi amigo. Adios!
Bye-bye. Uy, ang dami. Kailan naman tayo mag-uwian?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to Terminal 3.
Ilang percent ka ba? 8%? Wait, I need to let some... Babo, 7 ways. Peter, what the fuck? Why? Peter. Wait, I need to put my lipstick. Wait lang ako, sis. Wait lang ako, CR. Sige, sige.
Sige, mamaya na.
I just know where I need to get to. It was cool because I didn't know that, I like the state when you pull into the airport, like how they got like the ride there, like Terminal 3 got the ride there when you get there. Oh, that's like something before you could get over.
Yeah, but I know one terminal and I think the national is over on the other side.
Yeah, Terminal 1 is the international. I think the last time I flew into Japan, I think I was Terminal 1 and I had to get the rad over the Terminal 3. Got the Genesis bus.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hi.
So we're almost done. So we get ready to back home, and we really enjoy the food. And of course, same thing with Sis Maria. So well, 4 hours, 5 hours is not enough, guys. I think this is the LB that she got on her birthday.
next one is, I think, medical. That's the next one. This will be a few months. And then we got a lot of casinos and stuff.
Yeah, because you know, Sis Maria's phone is charging. Okay? See, you can see now my face. Did you enjoy the food a little bit? Yeah. No, she's not lasing. We don't drink alcohol here. Kim, are you lasing? Are you lasing na? No, the food is not expensive, guys. So here's the money. We're waiting for the, you know, for the bills to pay. It's so funny because Sis Maria wants to get the you know, Filipino, we always pray. There's a little that's very sure that there's a little breakdown. Yeah. They make millions of those per year. No, it's not. 7 ways, but just to go there.
leave the house. Little rice.
I think this might be the first time I buy a rice maker.
They eat rice 3 times.
More secretary na lang po yun.
These guys start like 10 minutes apart. They're not gonna move in.
Sis Maria, sa'yo ba?
It's okay. Bye everyone. Thank you. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
They got put that in their bags.
No,
Cheer.
you don't like?
No! You're
Wala po nito leave.
It's 3. How much?
reason.
Ah, kulang?
No.
Or wala po nito change pa.
Yeah, okay. No, it's not.
Ah, okay.
There's something. No. I mean, it's just like we share the food. We share
Okay,
the
that's only one sometimes, not always, right? This is not the last. Hopefully next.
No, we just wait for the change.
Come, it's done?
No. I just wait for the change.
Ah. Okay, by the way, thank you, EJ.
Nice
Sis,
meeting y'all. We
yeah.
got to do
Nice
this.
meeting
We
you.
got to get together again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hopefully by
you know-
next year, if I will come.
3 hours, 4 hours is not enough.
And thank you,
Minutes having dinner at
Mary Grace.
here with Maria.
Yes,
Lily
guys.
Beth, got her husband Tate. Check
Yeah.
out the channel. I posted it
Bye everyone.
description and
I'm going now. Yeah, 50 for the counter. Yeah. So I will leave now.
see ya.
Sa counter na lang natin ano yung antayin.
Okay, let's go. We just wait for
Yeah, for the counter. Yeah. Bye, Captain Billy Jack. Yeah, it's already night. And EJ will need to travel going back to Angeles, Pampanga. You know, that's why. So, yeah, we need to leave now. And also, Lilibet is there. And Frank. So, the total bill is very cheap. Really. You know, it's the food is good, satisfied. Bye, Kim. Bye, everyone. Bye. 60. No, will not. It will not 6 pesos. 6K? No, that's why. So, bye bye, EJ. Bye bye.
Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hope see next time.
Next time, yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye. So, paano? Kayo?
Mauna ka na? Waiting for the change.
Ah, okay.
No, but this is going to be changed.
Yeah, there is. Well, there's a hole in mine.
If you want to, you sit first.
There's
Yeah.
a what?
We have a line. We have a line.
There's a line for the change.
Yeah, we have a line. You will take it? Bakit?
Ha? Ano, yung election na sa pag matagal siya.
Ah. Bye everyone. My signal it will be gone. So bye Chris. See you next week. That's not bad for adult. Yeah. It's not. No, not 10K. My God, closer to for the 10 kilo. No, not 10. Just only 3,500 something. 3,500. OMG. Yes, keep. It's very cheap, yeah. Later, Kim. Bye, Kim. I walk with Mama Maria now to Jollibee. No, I'm very full. Just say it all. Okay, bye everyone. Bye, Kim. Bye, Seven Ways. Bye, Chris. Bye, Peter. Bye, Halfway. Bye, Billy. Bye, everyone. God bless everyone. And see you my next live. Okay. See, I'm here in mall location. Yeah, waiting for the change with the sis Lilibet. OMG. Yeah, it's so cheap actually. Maria is full. Chris, wait 10 minutes. No, enjoy your day po. Bye, Chris. Yeah, Peter. She want to end. So you cannot eat again. No. Cheers, Pep, Babush. Yeah, go to Jollibee na. No, I'm full. Chicken Joy with the spaghetti. No, I'm so full na. Bye, sis Serge. Thank you, Serge. Thank you, sis Mars Bangkod. Thank you, everyone. And God bless you. And my next live. This coming, next Saturday, I think. Yeah. Hopefully, if I will travel going back to Macau, yes, I will. Or we'll see, yeah. See you soon po. Bye, Chris. With the spaghetti. Bye. God bless. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's so huge, really. It's massive, yes. As you can see.
Miss Maria, what's
Yes.
your way?
I need to call my, wait, I need to end. And you, where
We're
you go?
gonna go down and go to the other side, south.
Ah.
Parking.
No, I'm here from the, in front.
Okay.
Because what you call, joyride.
Okay. So
Okay.
let's go.
Yeah, come. Bye, thank you.